Example 2 has a table of values. So for the first table of values, we have the number of hours John studies versus John's test scores. Okay, so we have 0 hours, his test score will be 75. Half an hour, his test score will be 80. 1 hour, 85, and so on. Okay, so let's name the independent variable. So first we can cheat. This is always going to be x, and the right side is always going to be y. So the independent variable is the number of hours John studies. Okay, so we can just put number of hours. Okay, and in regards to the dependent variable, it's John's test score. Okay, John's test score, because we know that John's test score depends, right? Depends on the number of hours that he studies for. And how are they related? So what's the correlation? We say as the number of hours he studies increases, what happens to his test score? Well, we can take a look here. His test score increases. Okay, and let's do the second one. So this is the number of guests, maybe at a party, versus meal prep time. And sorry, this goes like this. Okay, so maybe for 3 guests, you're preparing meals for 25 minutes. And maybe for 6 guests, you're preparing meals for 49 minutes, so on. Okay, so the independent variable, again, if we want to cheat, it's the x, so it's the number of guests. And again, that's what you have control over. You have control over the number of guests that you invite. And then the meal prep time is going to depend on the number of guests that's come. Meal prep time, guests that come. Okay, and how are they correlated? As the number of guests increases, the meal prep time. Prep as in like preparation. Prep time increases. So both of these graphs are going to look like this.